Wood-like aromas are most often associated with oak, which is the most common wood used in alcoholic beverage fermentation and storage. Different strains of oak produce different aromas, and wood used in barrels can be toasted or charred, modifying the aromas presented by the wood itself. A woody aroma can come from a variety of sources. Some strains of hops can carry wood-like aromas and flavors, especially hop varieties with high proportions of the oils myrcene, humulene, caryophyllene, and farnesene. Wood barrel storage and/or fermenting of beer in wood will actively contribute to this characteristic. While uncommon, brewers can choose to store beer in fresh wooden barrels that haven't been previously used, resulting in high contributions of flavor and aroma. Selection of hops that diminish or enhance these characteristics plays a role, as well as how the hops are used in the recipe. Brewers should pay attention to the hop data provided by their hop supplier towards selecting strains with desired levels of these compounds. The amount of hops and timing of their additions affects the concentration of these aromas in beer. When derived from exposure to wood, the selection of the type of wood and level of barrel toasting play a role in the intensity of this compound. During barrel aging on previously used barrels, the contributions of wood may be overshadowed by the aromas contributed by those of the beverage previously stored in the barrel.